Have you ever had the fantasy of locking eyes with a woman and flipping a hidden switch inside her head and suddenly she's drawn to you? It's like an instant attraction switch you can trigger to make her interested in you immediately. Well, that's what today's Shogun Method video is about. It's like having a secret way to reach into her subconscious and send bursts of tingles to her ham wallet with nothing but your words. Pay attention to everything I say, and by the end of this video, you'll know the exact steps to making any woman like you instantly, anywhere. I know that's a tall promise, but what you're going to learn from me isn't some rehashed pickup artist garbage. Get ready, because what you're going to see next is going to piss all over the stupid pickup artist crap you've been learning elsewhere. And here's the magic sauce that makes Shogun Method superior to pickup artists and relationship gurus: mind control. Shogun Method is simply a vault packed with mind control sequences designed to do one thing: bypass a woman's resistance and give you direct access to her subconscious mind, which governs her emotions. And the mind control sequence you're going to learn today is the legendary contrast anchor sequence. Watch this video until the end, and you'll know how to use this sequence to make a girl interested instantly, like flipping a proverbial switch. The contrast anchor sequence is specially crafted to make a woman fall in love with you during your very first encounter. It's a technique even new shoguns can learn to use on day one upon joining us at shogunmethod.net. First things first, if you've been around Shogun Method long enough, you know the Rake model. Rake is a 4-step sequence of how any woman falls in love with a man, and it stands for intrigue, rapport, attraction, and emotional enslavement. I won't go into detail here, but you must understand the Rake model if you want to know how the female mind works. Pause this video and go to irakemodel.com to download a free book. Come back here because we'll wait for you. In the Rake model, everything starts with intrigue and is followed by rapport building, or the R stage. The R stage in the Rake model is where the contrast anchor sequence shines. As I teach in Shogun Method at shogunmethod.com, an easy way to build rapport is to use a mind control technique we call Value Elicitation. That means you ask her about what's important to her in love, dating, and relationships. For example, say to her, "So, tell me what qualities are important for you in a boyfriend." Or, "Describe your ideal relationship." Sounds simple, but don't underestimate the power. When you ask these questions, she starts revealing her sacred values, leading to how her psyche perceives love and sexual attraction. With enough detail, you'll know what she secretly desires, but doesn't tell most men. Let's say she answers, "My ideal relationship is one where he and I have our own lives, our own careers, passions, and social circles. But at the end of the day, we come home to each other." This is a perfect opportunity to go deeper inside her head. At this point, you continue digging with more value elicitation. You might respond, "Something tells me none of the guys you're dating right now fit the bill." She'll open up more. She might confess that the last guy she dated seemed promising, but he turned out to be insecure and needy whenever she traveled or hung out with her friends. He said it was because he loved her, but deep down, she felt turned off by his weakness. As any shogun knows, value elicitation is a recon mission. The more information you gather about the target, the easier it will be to use mind control on her, Shogun Method style. In the contrast anchor sequence, the specific information you want is what she dislikes. In the example I've given you, the woman hated a guy who was too affectionate and needy. You'll exploit that information with another Shogun Method mind control tactic we call the anchor. You take the values she just revealed to you, and you anchor the good ones to yourself and the bad ones to other men. Say to her, "I think I know why you got turned off. Every smart woman wants a strong, stable guy." And as you say this, you gesture toward yourself. With a subtle motion, you anchor the strength and stability attribute to you. Then you continue. "But your guy showed weakness. He got rattled by just one woman, and that made him lose his value in your eyes." Honestly, most women would feel turned off by guys like that. And as you say this, you motion your hand away from yourself, anchoring weakness and insecurity to other men. Look closely at what's happening here. In her subconscious, you're becoming the symbol of everything she wants, while other men become the symbol of everything she despises. And as with every tactic in the Shogun Method canon, she doesn't even realize what you're doing, and yet she feels the tingles in her poonsy tang. And once she feels it, You've already flipped the attraction switch inside her. And when that happens, it's time to seal the deal with the granddaddy of all Shogun Method mind control tactics in existence, fractionation. This is where you deepen the emotional trance by pulling her through an intense and unforgettable emotional roller coaster. Fractionation makes you unforgettable, gets her hooked on you, and cements the feelings you anchored to yourself earlier. By the time you're done, she'll not only see you as the man who fits her ideals, she'll feel it in her bones. She'll start dropping hints about dating you. She'll lean in, seeking approval from you, thirsting more for your attention. And that's how Shogun Method practitioners create instant attraction. It's flipping the instant attraction switch using mind control in 3 steps. First, by hacking into her subconscious and extracting her values. Second, by anchoring those values to yourself. And third, amplifying it with fractionation. Use the contrast anchor sequence just once, and you'll see its power, believe me. As a shogun, you must always remember this. Women have zero logic about love, sex, and attraction. They're purely emotional creatures, and once you know how to manipulate a woman's emotions, you hold the keys to her desire. It's as simple as that, trust me. Okay, we're coming to the end of this video, so let's recap with the key learnings. 1. Women fall in love with a man in 4 steps: intrigue, rapport, attraction, and emotional enslavement. We call this the Rake model, and you should learn more about this by downloading a free book from iraymodel.com. 2. The instant attraction switch lies in the rapport stage of the Rake model. 3. The Shogun sequence that flips this switch is the contrast anchor sequence. 4. To execute the contrast anchor, first elicit her values. Get to know what she likes and dislikes. 5. Anchor her likes to you and her dislikes to other men. So, there you go. You now know how to make any girl like you instantly, not with cheesy pickup lines or lame openers, but with systematic, step-by-step mind control. Here's what you must understand. What I've just given you here is a taste of the wealth of knowledge you're going to get from me. If you think that the contrast anchor is awesome, imagine what happens when you combine this with the more advanced Shogun Method tactics: fractionation, implanted commands, false memories, and the other Shogun sequences. What will you do with this power? But here's the catch. Shogun Method isn't for everyone. Because let's face it, this knowledge can be harmful in the hands of immature and irresponsible men. A good number of scumbags learn Shogun Method each year and abuse the knowledge to harm women, and that's a shitty thing to do. As shoguns, we follow the creed of virtuous masculinity. The power of Shogun Method must be guardrailed by our conscience and good intentions. We created Shogun Method to help men lead their women with love, respect, and masculine strength, just as God intended. If you're not on board with this philosophy, Shogun Method isn't for you. And that's not all. Shogun Method isn't suitable for guys looking for pickup artist nonsense about being alpha, or for cheesy lines to memorize. Also, if you're one lazy SOB and you think Shogun Method is a magic bullet that solves your relationship problems without lifting a finger, then go elsewhere. The sad truth is that most guys watching this video will be better off staying on the sidelines with 99% of the world. Because here's the thing, Shogun Method is about control and dominance, and it makes most people uneasy. So if that thought scares you, I don't blame you. But if you're one of the rare men in the 1% who can handle the truth, and if you've got the guts to step up and see how deep the rabbit hole really goes, then your next move is simple. Go to fractionation.org right now and join the Shogun Method online masterclass. The virtuous man never waits nor hesitates, because he knows that every moment he delays is another moment he's living like a regular chump, invisible, replaceable, and sadly forgettable. But once you have Shogun Method in your arsenal, you'll never look at women the same way again. And more importantly, they'll never look at you the same way again either, and that's a good thing. Right now the door is open, but it won't stay open forever. If you're ready, step inside, but only with your eyes wide open. You must trust me on this. Go to fractionation.org now and join us in the worldwide Shogun Method revolution. Look for the link in the comment under this video, or go to this site directly, fractionation.org.